Um, my name is Lakshmi from Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. Has done internship project work in the company on Find and Found under the guidance of Mr. Chetan, technical support of Snipe Tech Private Limited during the period of 6th January to 1st February of 2020. Contents are introduction, company overview, technology learnt, and use case diagram, result analysis, conclusion. First, introduction. Introduction to Find and Found is a software application. A web application is a client-server software application which the client or a user runs in a web browser. Web applications are getting popular these days as they can be accessed from anywhere using a web browser as a client to update and maintain web applications without distributing and installing software has reduced complexities. Find and Found is a software application solution for the care, return, and lost of found property. This application can be authorized by any public sectors or social welfare organization. This application every discovery process more efficient. It is both Android and website based. Um, found Finding the lost and found information, including online databases of lost and found property like listing photos, resources, etc. on the internet. Find and Found provides this information on a local, national, and international basis. The three characteristics categories are finder, founder, and admin. First, founder is one who founded the object. Founder has to register the item he has found. While registering, he has to frame the question and answer about the item he has found, and only the question will be displayed to the finder for verification of the item. Finder is the one who has lost the item. A search engine implemented in this application. Finder has to search for the item if the item is present in the database or not. Next, admin. Admin will be handling all these, and if the verification is successful, the contact details of the founder will be displayed. Then finder can recollect the item from the founder. Both founder and finder will be authorized and authenticated for the security purpose using Oath security tool. Next is company overview. Company overview is about Snipe Tech Private Limited is a company known for various services such as software development, corporate training, and hardware and networking solutions. It is an Indian-based company stationed at Bangalore, and it was established in 2009 as a pioneer in providing a world-class consulting services in enterprise solution for the technology solution. And Snipe is focusing executively in high quality and cost effective software development and implemented of services. Services are software development, um, developing a software which includes an application development, application maintenance, application support, application integration, migration and transformation, and application management. Corporate training, has in every corporate how it is the training is will be going on. And hardware and networking solutions like leverage IT investigation, minimize risk, maximize compatibility, maximize interoperability. And hardware like data center, structure cabling system, Cisco switch, firewall, wireless and routers. um, Next, mission of this company is first vision is to achieve the 100% customer satisfaction by delivering a quality product and service at an affordable cost. Next, deliver quality product and services, as mentioned above. Our forward vision is to strive to become an entity in technology based on corporate solution capable of demanding unconditional response from the targeted needs. We also achieve that They also achieve that for our scope of improvisation. And next is mission is to achieve the reputation of quality, high standard and reliable solution and service provider in IT industry. Some of the key developments of this company are desire for excellence, trust and confidence build up, innovation, transparency, teamwork. Next, technologies learned. HTML5, it is a markup language used for structuring and presenting. Support for latest multimedia. It is the latest version of HTML language, and introduces markup APIs like application programming interfaces for complex web applications. And the both APIs and DOM are now fundamental parts of HTML. Next, CSS3, it is a cascading style sheets, latest version used with HTML to create and format content structure, provides the positioning to various elements, and CSS is a cornerstone technology of World Wide Web. Next, Bootstrap, it is a framework to help us design website faster and easier. It includes HTML and CSS based in design template, easy to set up and create, working layout within a less time, and offers a lot of helper classes which makes development of websites fast and easy. Next, AngularJS, it is a JavaScript based open source front end web framework. It aims to simplify both development and testing. Next, implements model view controller pattern to separate presentation, data, and logic components. Next, web server used here is Apache Tomcat. It is an open source Java servlet. It is used to deploy the Java servlets and JSPs, and open source web server developed by Apache Foundation. Make our Java web application run on host and server based system in both the system. Its job is to establish a connection between the server and the many web browsers like Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome, some of the browsers. Next, databases MySQL. MySQL, it is a compatible with other programming languages. In MySQL is a standard RDMS software and has reliable security features. It is flexible query language. It is a stable, reliable, and powerful solutions with advanced features including data security, high performance, and flexibility of open source, and so on. Next, architectural diagram. Um, In architectural diagram, find and found architecture design explains which all the components are included in the application and project workflow. System architecture is a conceptual model that defines a structure, behavior, and more view of a system. An architecture description is a formal description and representation of a system organized in a way that supports reasoning about the structure and behavior of the system. Here there are many layers like presentation layer, service layer, business layer, data access object layer. First, presentation layer. Presentation layer has a user interface and a user interface components. They are like Bootstrap, CSS3, Cascading Style Sheet 3, and HTML5, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, etc. And next is service layer. This layer consists of all the services defined within an SOA. Service layer is a middle layer between presentation layer and data store. It abstracts business logic and data accesses. The idea behind such a layer is to have an architecture which has support multiple presentation layers such as web, mobile, etc. In find and found application, we have used Spring 4.3 and Spring Boot 2.0, RESTful web service, Apache Tomcat, etc. Next, business layer. The business layer contains the components used to implement business logic and defines business entities that are used by business logic components. Next, use case diagrams. This is the first use case diagram. In this we are going to see about register. First, register. Here finder and founder needs to register in our application. Next, authenticate. Email or phone number of finder and founder are authenticated before login. Next, login. All three actors finder, founder and admin, all these three actors should log in here. Next, upload a post of lost things. Here founder will post information about things he found to admin, and admin reposts the information to the viewed of by all others. Next, search or view post. Finder can view or search post to find his lost things. After that, verify and provide contact details. After finder finds his lost things, here is to verified by admin, and later contact details of the founder are provided to him. Next, recollect the things. After providing contact details, finder contact founder to get the his things back. Next, admin logins, authenticates, finds and founds, and can upload and view the details of the post posted by the founder, and he verifies whether the things belongs to the finder upon his approach. If yes, then provide the contact details to founder. Next, founder registers and then authenticates himself, logins and uploads post of the things he found, and return the things back to the rightful owner after certain process. Next is finder registers, authenticates, and he can also log in and search view post for their lost missing things. If found, can further undergo verification and get contact details of founder to get their things back. Next, result analysis. As of my work done here, these are the web page which I have done, and the register form which will be connected to the database also. Next, conclusion. This is a dynamic web-based interactive system. Finder and founder. Next, helps user to find their lost item. This system this application is for public welfare, which can be handled by any public sector or any welfare organization. In current past life cycle, it is very common to lose objects in daily life. The task of finding the lost objects can also so difficult that some of us choose to forget about it, or sometimes we just hope on lost and found department. I think at times it may be not be possible for us to return the found objects to the lost and found department as well. Nowadays, since everyone has online access, we can leverage this fact and help people find their lost items. In this project, we can plan to use the technology around us to simplify the lost and found mechanism. This is an all new approach which is simple, efficient, and sourced, wherein a large community of web um, users take part in returning the lost item to their rightful users. Thank you.